Imagine a weapon launched from thousands of miles away, capable of causing widespread devastation. This is the threat posed by intercontinental ballistic missiles, or ICBMs. These missiles travel at incredible speeds, making them difficult to detect and intercept. However, standing guard against this threat is the United States Ground-Based Mid-Course Defense System, or GMD. This complex system represents a marvel of engineering and a testament to human ingenuity. It is our shield in space, designed to protect us from the unthinkable. The GMD system is a vital component of America's national security strategy. It provides a deterrent against potential adversaries. The GMD serves as a powerful reminder that an attack on the United States would be met with swift and decisive action. In a world where the threat of nuclear war still looms, systems like the GMD offer a sense of hope and security. The GMD system operates in the vast expanse of space far above the Earth's atmosphere. It targets incoming missiles during their mid-course phase. This phase is when the missile is coasting through space after separating from its booster rockets. The GMD system employs a multi-layered approach to intercept and destroy these threats. This complex system relies on a network of interconnected components working in perfect harmony. It starts with sophisticated sensors that detect the launch of a ballistic missile. These sensors then relay this critical information to a command and control center. The command center analyzes the threat and determines the optimal time and location for interception. Early warning is crucial in missile defense. The GMD system relies on a network of powerful radars and space-based sensors. These vigilant sentinels constantly scan the skies for any sign of a missile launch. The upgraded early warning radars, or UEWs, are the workhorses of the system. These massive ground-based radars can detect objects as small as a basketball from thousands of miles away. In addition to ground-based radars, the GMD system also utilizes space-based infrared sensors. These sensors detect the heat signature of a missile launch, providing an additional layer of early warning. The combination of ground-based and space-based sensors ensures that the GMD system has a comprehensive view of potential threats. At the heart of the GMD system lies its sophisticated command and control network. This network acts as the brain of the operation, processing vast amounts of data from various sensors and making split-second decisions. The command and control center receives information from the early warning radars and space-based sensors. It then uses advanced algorithms to track the trajectory of the incoming missile. The command and control network plays a vital role in coordinating the entire GMD system. It ensures that all components are working together seamlessly. The system can differentiate between real threats and false alarms. This capability is crucial to prevent unnecessary interceptions. Section 5. Guardians at the Ready Ground-Based Interceptors. Once the GMD system has detected and tracked an incoming missile, it deploys its ultimate line of defense ground-based interceptors, or GBIs. These interceptors are essentially three-stage rockets tipped with an exoatmospheric kill vehicle, or EKV. The GBI launches from underground silos located at strategic locations across the United States. The GBI's powerful rockets propel the EKV on a collision course with the incoming missile. The interceptor has to travel thousands of miles in a matter of minutes to reach its target. The success of the interception depends on precise timing and accuracy. Section 6. A cosmic game of billiards, the Exoatmospheric Kill Vehicle. The Exoatmospheric Kill Vehicle, or EKV, is the GMD system's weapon of choice for destroying incoming missiles. It's not a traditional explosive warhead. Instead, the EKV relies on kinetic energy to eliminate its target. The EKV is a marvel of engineering, equipped with advanced sensors and steering jets. These features allow it to maneuver with incredible precision in the harsh environment of space. As the EKV approaches the incoming missile, its onboard sensors identify the target's most vulnerable point. The EKV then adjusts its trajectory to ensure a direct hit. The impact of the EKV, traveling at over 15,000 miles per hour, is enough to obliterate the missile. This impact occurs high above the Earth's atmosphere, ensuring that any debris from the destroyed missile burns up harmlessly upon re-entry. Section 7. Practice makes perfect testing and effectiveness of the GMD system. The GMD system undergoes rigorous testing to ensure its effectiveness against evolving threats. These tests involve launching a simulated target missile and then attempting to intercept it using a GBI and EKV. These tests are conducted over the Pacific Ocean to ensure safety. Data collected from these tests helps engineers refine the system's accuracy and reliability. While the GMD system has demonstrated its capabilities in tests, its effectiveness in a real-world scenario remains a topic of debate. Critics argue that the system's testing regime does not accurately reflect the complexities of a real-world attack. However, proponents maintain that the GMD system represents the best possible defense against a potentially catastrophic threat. Section 8. Evolving threats, evolving defenses, challenges, and future developments. The development of ballistic missile technology continues to advance at a rapid pace. This advancement poses a significant challenge for missile defense systems like the GMD. One of the biggest challenges is the increasing sophistication of countermeasures employed by adversaries. These countermeasures are designed to confuse or deceive missile defense systems, making interception more difficult. To counter these evolving threats, the United States is constantly working to improve the capabilities of the GMD system. This improvement includes developing more advanced sensors, more agile interceptors, and more sophisticated algorithms for target discrimination. The goal is to ensure that the GMD system remains ahead of the curve in terms of its ability to detect, track, and intercept even the most advanced ballistic missile threats. Section 9. A Safer World. The strategic importance of missile defense. The GMD system plays a vital role in ensuring the national security of the United States and its allies. It serves as a deterrent against potential adversaries, discouraging them from even considering an attack. The knowledge that the United States possesses a credible missile defense system helps to maintain global stability. The strategic importance of the GMD system extends beyond the borders of the United States. It provides a sense of security to allies around the world, knowing that they too are protected from the threat of ballistic missile attacks. This protection fosters international cooperation and helps to create a safer world for all. Section 10. International Cooperation, a Shared Responsibility. The threat posed by ballistic missiles is not limited to any one nation. It is a global challenge that requires a global response. The United States recognizes the importance of international cooperation in addressing this shared threat. It actively works with allies and partners around the world to develop and deploy effective missile defense systems. This cooperation takes many forms, including sharing information, conducting joint exercises, and co-developing missile defense technologies. By working together, nations can leverage their collective resources and expertise to create a more robust and effective global missile defense architecture. Section 11. Conclusion: The future of the GMD system. The GMD system represents a remarkable feat of engineering and a testament to human ingenuity. It stands as a shield against one of the most fearsome threats facing humanity. As technology continues to advance, so too will the GMD system. We can expect to see even more sophisticated sensors, interceptors, and algorithms in the years to come. The ultimate goal of the GMD system is to render ballistic missiles obsolete as a weapon of war. While this goal may seem ambitious, it is one worth striving for. In a world free from the threat of nuclear annihilation, humanity can focus on addressing the many other challenges we face and building a brighter future for all.